There are two ways to connect to the Argeno's user interface, either via the network if you have access to the DHCP IP list, or locally if this is not available. To access the inverter UI via the network, first ensure that either LAN 1 or LAN 2 is connected to the network via cable. Ensure the Argeno has power. Once the inverter has started, a network connection will be established if available. DHCP is active by default. Scan for new IP addresses, then connect to the new addresses in your browser. If multiple Argenos have been installed, the serial number at the top left of the interface will help identify each inverter. If the inverter has been commissioned and a static IP address assigned, you can access the UI from within the same network by entering the assigned IP address in your browser. To access the inverter UI locally, use a cable to connect to the rightmost RJ45 labeled Service Only. In your browser, enter the IP address 169.254.1.1. Confirm to connect if necessary.